Here, peace settles into every corner. Bathed in diffused light, the space whispers tranquility through soft textures and bleached woods. It is a refined sanctuary where warm oak accents meet crisp linens, grounding you in timeless serenity. Here, warmth settles into every grain, guided by golden light across soft neutrals. The space breathes with quiet elegance. Then, the atmosphere shifts. A dramatic contrast emerges. Crisp geometry meets deep matte tones, defining a serene sanctuary where clean lines whisper timeless peace. Here, serenity settles into every plane. Bathed in soft daylight, life unfolds through muted terracotta and pale wood tones, discovering a quiet space where horizontal lines guide the eye to perfect calm. It is an elegant retreat, built simply for peaceful stillness. Here, light is the most gentle architect. From the soft glow of golden hour to the quiet clarity of morning, every space breathes tranquility. It's a refined sanctuary where natural wood and muted stone embrace you, creating an enduring sense of serene calm. Here, light defines space, embracing quiet vertical lines and serene negative space. The atmosphere shifts, drawing us into deeper comfort. Rich walnut tones meet creamy linen, creating layers of warmth. It is a sanctuary where every texture whispers timeless, peaceful elegance.